What's up, guys? It's your boy Craftin' Sukia, and today I'm showing something a little awesome I haven't done yet. I'm making a custom Anbu armor, and I'm coloring the arms and the arm armor and the body armor, and this is gonna be fun. Something I haven't done yet. I usually buy all my cosplay, and this time I kind of want to craft some stuff myself, so we're gonna do that today. But before we get started, you already know what time it is. Make sure you stab that like button, stab that subscribe button, or literally you're gonna get stabbed. All right, you're gonna get stabbed. But let me show you the things I have, and we can get started. But before we get started, play that intro. Let's get it. Show you guys what I got. I have some tape because I'm gonna have to cover up the black part of this. I just want to get these parts of it. The armor, I think I'm only gonna do the outside of it. The inside, if I have to, if it looks kind of like, if you can see the inside when I'm wearing it, maybe I will do that, but only the outside of the full armor. I think I am going to do it to the, where you put the, your kunais and all that stuff, your weapons and stuff. I might do those also. And I got this, so I won't get a lot on there. And also, I put a lot of plastic here, because I'm not doing this outside, bro. It's cold. It's cold as shit outside. So, I am going to be using Color Shot Instant Fabric Coloring. I'm going to be using this. Other than that, let's get started. I'll link everything in the descriptions where I got it from. Also, if you decide you want to make some armor armor too. All right. Let's do it. That one looks more than the first one I did. So we're probably gonna redo that first one, but I'm not gonna show you. I'm gonna make sure everything at the end looks better than what I did. So far I'm running out of the can already. I had got 2. I thought I'll have enough, but I might have to go to the store. It's literally across the street and I'll get some more. But let's get started on this one. Oh yeah, it's time. I've been waiting to do this. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna touch the inside, but yeah. So I'm gonna probably do it like this. Oh, but that's gonna go. Dang it. I was thinking of doing like maybe one of my symbols like on the back of it or something. We'll see. By the time fan day comes, y'all probably will see something pretty cool there. But by the way, I will be at fan day, so make sure you're there Saturday. I'm gonna be doing a video like last time, so come through. If I see you, it's time. So due to running out of the fabric paint, I'm gonna go get a couple more and I might get a different color. Like I wanna put like a logo on the back of it. So that's gonna be cool. And guess what? I'm taking it with me, so let's get it. All right, made the Hobby Lobby. I hope they're not closed, yo. Oh, damn, they're closed, bro. Oh shit. Okay, I'm probably gonna have to go to Michael's. Michael's is next door. I thought they closed like at 6 or something, bro. On Sunday, they're literally closed on Sunday. Let me check Michael's. If they don't have it, I might have to roll at Walmart one more time. Yo, that's crazy. Okay, it looks like Michael's is open. I did get the cans from Michael's, but I saw that Hobby Lobby has it also. But on Sundays, I thought everything usually closes around like 6. But if I don't get these, bro, I'm gonna be salty because I'll probably have to finish this another day. But we're almost finished with it, and it's gonna be pretty cool when I'm done with it. And if I'm gonna show, I am gonna like cut out like a logo or something, make my own little logo. Stab. and put it on the back of them because I want to do something creative with them. But other than that, I'll see you on a second. Bro, I thought I was screwed. But wait, I don't see any. Oh, there you go. Bro? Alright, I'm gonna get 2 of these and a red one. And I should be good. Cause like, bro. I thought I was done. Alright, we got those and we are heading back to the house. So I'm back to the dojo now. So I bought some paper. Like I thought of an idea while I was working on this. I'm gonna draw some kanji and it's gonna say Shinobi. And then I'm gonna cut it out and put it on the back of the armor here. I'm gonna put Shinobi and kanji in the back of it. So it's gonna be pretty cool. Like I'm coming up with more ideas with it. I mean, this is a really fun project for myself. I'm having so much fun. And I hope you guys like it. I am gonna put everything in the descriptions. If you wanna make this yourself, maybe even modify it better than me. I mean, this is my first time doing it. I mean, go crazy. There's so many great ideas to do out there. And I recommend just, if you like cosplay, try to make some stuff yourself too. Like, I don't know that stuff yet. I would love to learn. But I like putting like custom parts together. Make it look so awesome, you know? But hey, that works out. So we're gonna draw this kanji. Let's get to it. Okay, this is what we got so far. I cut out some kanji that says Shinobi. Y'all know what that says. And let's get back to the grind. Cause you know I was paying till I ran out. But we got about 2 whites and then the red one is for the kanji. I'm gonna put on the armor here and stuff. So let's continue. Like maybe so I do have acrylic paint. I was gonna just write some kanji on this also. So it'd be pretty cool to do that. So I don't know yet. Yeah, these definitely have to be painted white though for this to go. But yeah, this is looking so cool so far. I will not need a backpack for that day either. Dude, I don't know how cosplayers do it. You know, you want to purchase stuff, but I think it's like they'll go in a day that they just want to buy stuff and then do their cosplay. But let's go ahead and get these painted too. Let's do this. This one still got juice in it. Still got juice. All right, let's go. It says it's instant dry, but I'll give it like a good 15 or 20 minutes because that's how long I was gone just to get these. I don't need enough paint in me, bro. I got one more left, so I think I'm gonna use it all. Repaint the gauntlets, and then I'm gonna probably have to play with the logo. Like, I'm gonna look up some stuff for the logo, but end of this video, you'll probably see it. But we're finished with that. We're gonna let these bad boys dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna show you the full cosplay, and then I'll be seeing you at fan day, basically. But all right, I'm gonna start off with the stuff and where I all got it from. I got this sword holder from Amazon. I got the sword actually from Kamea-con. The scarf, got it from Amazon. All the links will be in the descriptions. I got this shirt from Amazon. It does look a little small, but hey, it fits just like, you know how tight Anbu's top shoulders, and you can see the shoulders very well. This does the job. I got the mask probably 2 years ago when I did the regular cosplay of Anbu, and I just hate the fact that like the armor part always slips off like a freaking dress. I thought that was very annoying, so I wanted to make my own Anbu outfit basically. The pouches, I got these from Amazon. This is actually from Amazon also. These are like the things that they put around their legs to hold your ninja tools. The gauntlets, they're like fighting protectors, and I will be linking those in the descriptions also. I will link you can do your own, basically your own bulletproof vest. This is an Airsoft vest I got from Amazon also. My pants, I got these from a place I was sponsored by, link in the description. Use my code to get them a little bit half off, but these are where I got my combat pants. Well, they're tech pants, you know. And I'm gonna show the whole outfit with it on so y'all can see. And when you see your boy at Fan Day, say what's up. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys.
Bring that heat, boy.
By Fan Day, I should have the Sharingan contacts with me too, so I'll have the full set, basically looking cool. But this is the full thing, man. I had really fun doing this.